Welcome back to Math with Mr. DJ. Today, we're going to be talking about multiplying mixed numbers. Let me ask you something. Which sounds harder, multiplying 2 times 3 or multiplying 2 1/3 times 3 1/2? Yeah, the second one looks a little scary. But here's the secret. Multiplying mixed numbers is actually easy once you know the steps. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step, with 3 examples that will make mixed numbers feel way less intimidating. All right, let's get started. Here's the most important thing to understand. Before multiplying mixed numbers, we turn them into improper fractions. That's it. That's the secret. Because multiplying fractions is much easier. So let's start off by doing a quick review on how to turn a mixed number into an improper fraction. First, let's do 3 times 2, which is 6. And then you do plus 1, which gets us 7. And then you bring the denominator over of 3, and you get 7/3. Then let's take a look at 2 1/3 is the same as 3/3 plus 3/3 plus 1/3. Because we all know that 3/3 is 1 whole, the other 3/3 is 1 whole, and that's how you get 2 1/3. Let's start with the first example, 2 1/3 times 4. Step 1, turn the mixed number into an improper fraction. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So we end up getting 2 1/3 becomes 7/3. And we're going to do times 4, which is the same as 4 over 1. And now we're going to multiply straight across. 7 times 4 gets us 28. And 3 times 1 gets us 3. So we get 28/3. And if we're going to convert that back, we would just do 28 divided by 3. And 28 divided by 3 is 9 with 1 left over. So you end up getting 1/3 for the remainder. So 9 1/3. Okay, now let's level up. Example number 2, 1 1/2 times 3 1/4. So again, let's take 1 1/2 and convert it into a improper fraction. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. You get 3 halves. And now let's do 3 1/4. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13. You get 13/4. So now we have 3 halves times 13/4. And remember, 13/4 is 4/4 plus 4/4 plus 4/4 plus 1/4, right? That's how we started with 3 1/4. And 3 halves is just 2 halves plus 1 half. That's how you get 1 1/2 to begin with. Now we'll just multiply straight across 3 times 13 and 2 times 4. Well, 3 times 13 is 39, 2 times 4 is 8, and that's 39 divided by 8. So if we divide that, you end up getting 4 7/8. Okay, so in this example, we have 2 2/5 times 1 1/2. So start off by converting both numbers. 5 times 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. We start off with 12/5. Now let's convert it 1 1/2. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. We have 3 halves. Then what we're going to do is multiply straight across. 12 times 3, 36. 5 times 2 is 10. We have 36/10 right now, which then gives us 3 6/10, which we can then reduce to 3 3/5. Let's review the steps. Step 1, convert mixed numbers into improper fractions. Step 2, multiply straight across. Step 3, simplify if needed. Step 4, convert back to a mixed number. That's the whole process. If you follow those 4 steps, you can multiply any mixed numbers. If this video helped you understand multiplying mixed numbers, make sure to hit that like button so more students can find this video. And don't forget to subscribe to Math with Mr. DJ. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.